Welcome to our YouTube channel, Best English Trainer. So let's look into this first part of the sentence. They not only came late, but also go away early. Here, came has been written, that's altogether V2. But also go away, here is altogether V1. So there is tense mismatch over there. So the first part of the sentence is in simple past tense and the second part is in simple present tense. Okay. Now just look over here. Come, came, come. Come, came, come, coming, comes. So this is V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. In the same fashion, go, went, gone, going, goes. Here V2 has come. So let's convert the same V2 in the second part of the sentence. So make this go to went. Okay, went away early can be the right answer over there. So where is the mistake in that? Option C has the mistake. See the second question. I saw a little dash shivering in the rain. In the bracket they have given common noun. That means we need to find the common noun in this particular sentence. So option A they have given boy. Option B is Rahul. Option C Neha. Option D is altogether army over there. So out of these four options, what is the right answer? Now let's discuss one by one. Okay. For example, let's see B and C. I said Rahul. I said Neha. Now here Rahul and Neha can be generally the proper nouns. Now what is a proper noun? Proper noun is a specific person, specific place. Anything it can be specific. For example, I said Ashoka is the greatest king. Now what is Ashoka there? The proper noun. For example, I said German Shepherd is a ferocious dog. Now what is German Shepherd? It's altogether a proper noun. Okay. Now Rahul indicates a boy. Rahul is the best boy in the class. Now Rahul and Neha can be the proper noun. Now what is boy here? Let's look here. Rahul is a good boy. I said Rahul is a good boy. Now Rahul is proper noun and boy is the common noun. So common noun indicates a class of people. Common noun generally indicates a class of people. For example, I said Neha is a bad girl. I said for example. Now girl is altogether the common noun over there. I said German Shepherd is a ferocious dog. Dog is a common noun. German Shepherd is altogether a proper noun. Okay. I said Ashoka is the greatest king. Ashoka is the proper noun and greatest king. King can be altogether the common noun over there. Okay. So in this fashion, we can understand what is proper noun and what is common noun. Okay. Now we have the fourth option, army. Now what is this army here? Army is nothing but altogether a collective noun. So what is army? A group of soldiers is called as an army. For example, a group of cows is called as a herd. A group of playing cards is called as a pack. A group of fish is called as a shawl or a company. Now what are all these words? All these words are going to be the collective nouns. Now here army is generally a collective noun. Okay. So finally what they are asking? They are asking for a common noun. That's altogether option A. Now see the third one. The study of the evolution of man as an animal. For this we have four options. Ethnology, anthropology, chronology and archaeology. Now out of these four options, what is the right answer? Ethnology. For example, we say ethnic group. Okay, we say ethnic group. So what is this ethnic? Ethnic group is a specific group of people. We say ethnic tribes. Ethnic is altogether a clan of people. Clan of people. We say there are multiple clans, right? So a clan of people. So what is this ethnology? Study of the ethnic groups is nothing but the ethnology. Next we have anthropology. Now what is this anthropo? Okay, anthropos. Anthropos is generally a Greek word. Okay, that means human. So study of human beings is called as anthropology. Next we have chronology. Now what is this chron? C-H-R-O-N. Chron is equal to time. For example, I said chronograph watch. What is chronograph watch? So chron is time. Okay. chronograph watch. For example, here chron is altogether time, graph is write or recording. Okay, write or recording. Now, what is this chronograph watch? In a chronograph watch, we would be seeing 3 to 4 dials. One will be showing minutes, the other dial will be showing milliseconds. Okay, the other would be showing seconds, one would be showing hours, something like that. Okay, so that can be chronograph watch over there. Now, chronology is study of time. Now, how do this study of time generally take place? The events occurred in the past history would be placed irregularly without the chronology. So chronology would be 1500 first, 1501 second, 1503, 2, 3, 4, something like that. It will be in an order if it is in chronological order or chronology. That's altogether study of the history, something like that. Next we have the archaeology. Now what is this archaeology? Archaeo means it's altogether ancient. Okay, study of the past. Study of the past over there. So we have the archaeological department, right? So which they excavate different areas and they'll try to find out the modern day and the past years, how they were, etc. Okay, that's altogether archaeology. And finally here, the study of the evolution of man as an animal. Now for this, what is the answer? Anthropology. Now what do you literally learn in anthropology? So we generally consider human beings were evolved from the monkeys. Now how this transition has changed over the millions of years. And this we'll be learning in the anthropology altogether. That's altogether option B. Okay. So these can be the questions, 3 questions, detailed explanation. And if you think this content will be useful to your friends, please share it with them. Thank you.